This video is about the various different options that you get in the project menu. But the important thing is that only the project owner who created the video can see these options. So for accessing these options, you need to click on the hamburger menu in the project menu bar. Let's click it. When we click it, we see various different options. We can rename or edit the project. We can delete the project. We can archive the project, set the due date, and add custom field or edit custom fields as well. So let's start. So the renaming the project is pretty easy. You can rename it to anything that you want, and once you hit the update button, the change will take place. So now let's go and check out. And similarly, if you want to delete the project, you just click on the delete project button and then confirm this on the pop-up, and the project will be deleted. So now let's get to two most important options that we have got on this particular menu. One of them is the duplicate project, and then there is the option for archiving a project. So when we are duplicating a project, we will be giving the new name of the project, and we also need to mention the location where we want this new project to be seen. So we can either save this project on the base folder, or we can also mention a subfolder for this change, for this duplication to take place. Let's give the name to this one. And when we click on the duplicate here project, the project would be created. Now let's just go and check out the new project that we have just created. When we click on this menu bar, here it is. Let's go and open the project, and it's been duplicated. So because when we duplicated this project, it also had a number of sub projects, and we can see that all of those projects have been duplicated as well. And now just let's go and check out the archive project, how that works out. So the concept with the archiving a project is, maybe you have a number of projects, and you maybe your drop down is getting all cluttered up, and you only want to see your current projects in your drop down window. So in this drop down, so what we have done is that once you archive the project, it will go into a separate section. Here you see, if you've got three different tabs in the task module, and the third option is for the archive projects. So once you let's go on and just archive one of the projects, and the same concept applies here as well, that anyone who's the owner of a particular project can eventually archive the project as well. So others, the mere members won't be able to see these all these various different options for this particular project. So for example, if we go on and archive this project, the system wants us to confirm it. Let's do that. And now what will happen is, if we just go on and click on the archive projects option, we can see that the project that we have just archived had started showing in the archive projects tab. Just let's confirm it in the drop down as well, whether that project named Fusion should not be showing up, and it's not because we've just archived it. So our project drop down gets uncluttered and it gets easier for us to handle our workload and better organize our projects. So that's about it, folks, for this particular video. I hope we were able to provide you value. Looking forward to having you in the next videos as well. Thanks a lot.